Welcome back to Fit Life Fusion. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more health and wellness tips. Today, we're going to talk about something that many men are curious about, male reproductive health, and more specifically, how certain vegetables can support better blood flow and overall function. Now, while there's no magical food that will instantly change your anatomy, there is one vegetable that can help support your overall reproductive health and blood flow, which can have a positive impact. Let's dive into it. The role of blood flow in male reproductive health. First, let's talk about why blood flow is so important when it comes to male reproductive health. Proper blood circulation is crucial for sexual function and overall reproductive health. When blood vessels are healthy and blood flow is optimized, it can lead to better performance and confidence. Blood flow is key to male reproductive health. Improving circulation can help enhance overall function and well-being in that department. And one vegetable in particular stands out in supporting blood flow: beets. Why beets are great for circulation. So, what makes beets the #1 vegetable for supporting blood flow? Beets are packed with nitrates, which help dilate blood vessels and improve circulation. This can benefit not just your heart, but also the blood flow to your reproductive organs. Beets boost blood flow with nitrates. Nitrates in beets are converted into nitric oxide in the body, which helps relax and widen blood vessels. This increase in blood flow can have a positive impact on male reproductive health, helping you feel more confident and improving overall function. Nitric oxide, enhancing blood flow. How to include beets in your diet. Now that you know why beets are beneficial, let's talk about how you can easily incorporate them into your diet. You can enjoy beets in a variety of ways: roasted, in salads, or even as part of a smoothie. Beet juice is another popular option that's easy to add to your daily routine. Add beets to your diet for better blood flow. Just remember, consistency is key. By including beets regularly in your diet, you're giving your body the nutrients it needs to support healthy circulation and overall well-being. And there you have it, the #1 vegetable that can support better blood flow and male reproductive health. While beets alone won't change everything overnight, adding them to a balanced diet can definitely help boost your overall health and confidence. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments how you like to include beets in your meals. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and stay tuned for our next video. Stay healthy, everyone.